Hey there, need to reset your Weiser Smart Lock, whether you forget your code or got a new home or just want to a fresh start. I'll show you how to factory reset it in just a few minutes. A factory reset removes all user codes and settings, restoring your lock to its original state. This is useful when moving to a new home, troubleshooting issues, or setting up new access codes. So, how you can do it? For this, first open the battery cover on the interior side of the lock. Now remove the battery pack or at least one battery to power off the lock. The button inside the lock, press and hold it while reinstalling in the battery pack. Keep holding the button for about 30 seconds until you hear one loud beep or see the lock flashing. Once reset, the lock is back to factory settings. You will need to set up new user codes using the Weiser app or keypad instructions. Make sure your batteries are fully charged before resetting. If the lock doesn't reset, try the process again and hold the reset button longer. After resetting, test the lock before installing it back on the door. And that's it. That's how you can factory reset a Weiser Smart Lock. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials.